Hey, okay, so here's what we've learned about WeVideo just for next year. You guys as teachers have a button that says groups up here. I don't have that. I don't know why. I'm admin, so I have a different view. But here's what you should do. When you are creating a student project, you want to make sure you're in the projects tab. So I'm in the projects tab. Notice here that I have projects. You don't want to click on the groups tab. So make sure you're in the projects tab and then click create new project. So then I would title it with the kids' names. Sarah, Sally, Jane, and Stacy. It's a very 80s group. Newscast. Then I'm going to click collaborative, next, and then select members. Now, you could at this point select a group. So if you made the group, you could just select that group. Not the end of the world. But what I did was at this point, I would just add, for example, I'm going to add, okay, Katie, and then I would add Alicia, and then I would add Marcelli, and then I would click next. Okay, so then we have create video, and then whatever. I think we don't need to start clicking create video. But see, now I have this one called Sarah, Sally, Jane, Stacy Newscast. And then when the kids click their projects, it should pop up in there. It may have to come up and share it with me. But you want to include their names there. So if you already made a group, that's not a bad thing, but you need to add that group to a new project. That's the key, a new project. So that when the kids click on projects, they see their projects there. Okay.